Transitioning from QuickBooks POS to Shopify POS, if you operate a store and use QuickBooks Point of Sale, you may be considering switching to Shopify POS. After all, Shopify is one of the most popular e-commerce systems, and its POS system is elegant and simple to use. But before you take the plunge, there are a few things you should be aware of. Here's a brief rundown of the main distinctions between QuickBooks POS and Shopify POS. Let us now examine the price structure. The price structure is one of the most significant distinctions between QuickBooks POS and Shopify POS. QuickBooks Point of Sale charges a hefty fee in the hundreds of dollars for each register you own. You pay a single monthly charge with Shopify that covers an unlimited number of users and registrations. That changes everything. So if you want to save money without sacrificing functionality, Shopify is the way to go. To get all of your questions addressed, follow the link down below. We'll now discuss payment processing costs. Another significant distinction is how payment processing costs are handled. QuickBooks charges a variable fee for each credit card transaction based on how the processor classifies the card. Shopify, on the other hand, provides a simple payment processing system that is consistent and charges a single flat price. This might make a major impact if you're selling a lot of different items or services and need to keep track of everything. We'll then compare ease of use. In terms of use, both QuickBooks POS and Shopify POS are easy. However, some people found Shopify to be slightly easier to use than QuickBooks. This might be due to Shopify's more simplified checkout procedure and significantly more intuitive overall navigation. Also, the majority of people utilize Shopify POS on an iPad, which works well. You don't have to be concerned about if your computer requires an update or if something is wrong with it. iPads do not catch viruses and are always available. If you're considering switching from QuickBooks POS to Shopify POS, here are a few things to consider. Specifically, the pricing structure, payment processing costs, and usability. Overall, the transition from QuickBooks to Shopify is rather painless. So if you're ready for a shift, go for it. To schedule a free demonstration call, use the link below.